Friends, before we go for the transfer of the point on OCD slant face and also ODA slant face, so we will remove all the construction lines here. So what I do, I will remove all the construction lines. So for transfer of points up to the development, so different construction lines I have removed. So different points we have already with us. So the points left are the ones on OCD and OAD slant faces. So we have already seen that it will require the imaginary slant edge passing through the point. So that slant face will be located, that imaginary slant edge is located through the positioning on the edge CD. We note that in the top view we have edge CD the true length, so that same edge CD as true length is lying in the development. So on that we locate the point as shown here, and we locate that imaginary edge. Now how to get the height? So the height of the point in the front view we already had. So this height is there with us. So we transfer it onto the OA, and then with the arc command with center point option, we can take it up to using the arc command. So we can take this up to OC. Now beyond OC, if we have to take it to the imaginary slant edge, so we can't take now, we can't extend the arc, so that will give us the wrong solution. What we need to do is, we need to draw the line parallel to the base if a point is to be transferred onto a point on the slant face. So if it is on the edge, the arc is fine. So we have used the arc to transfer all these points which are there on the slant edges. But in the development of the of the pyramid, if the point is lying on the slant faces, for that we will need a line parallel to the base. So we can reach up to the nearest slant edge, that is OC. After that we will use the line parallel to the base. So we offset the base itself through point and passing through this required point. So we get the required point here. So we mark this point, and we also know that it is there, it is as much distance from OA as much it is from OC. So same way we will locate it through the mirror command. So through the mirror command, what point? This point we want to locate. And where should be the mirror located? The mirror is located at OD. And this is how we locate the desired point. So now we remove all construction lines, and we have different points. We join them. So from node to node we join them. This is the point on OA to OB to OC, and then the point on OCD, and the point on OD, point on OAD, and point on OA. That is how we complete it. So the profile, we can change the color to yellow, and we know that the apex is already removed, so we can again make a selection here and trim. So the cutting edges are the profile here. So these are the cutting edges, so we trim away the portions which have been cut due to this, and due to this hole cutting through the solid, and we get this as the required development. So this completes the problem. Thank you.